Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw the amazing and magical Elsa from the movie Frozen. I know you're already singing Let It Go, so grab some paper and pencils and let's get started. We will start off by tracing our lines with a pencil. This way, we can correct any mistake we may make. But remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Draw a very thin line for Elsa's head. We will be watching her from behind, so I will start by drawing her lovely braid. I'm using the marker, but feel free to stick to the pencil if you prefer. You can always go over the lines later. Starting from the base of her head, I will be drawing a line that looks almost like a staircase going down. Just like this. This line will represent the middle of Elsa's braid. Next, I will move back up and start drawing curvy lines going from the right, down and inwards to the left, touching the previous staircase line. Do the same for the left side and you'll see our braid coming to life. All the way down until both sides meet at the bottom. We can now add the hair tie and a small section of hair coming out of it. Well done! Moving on, I'm drawing a wavy line for her cloak, coming from her left shoulder, down in an oblique direction. And then I'll draw the right arm going down on her side, just like this. Now let's add another line on the right side for her chest, going out the arm and back down on the arm. Now moving up, let's add a line for her neck going from the tip of her shoulder up to her braid. Time to move to the right arm. This arm will be going upwards as she's doing her magic. Draw the first line going up and add a little line on the right to shape the wrist. Keep going by adding all the fingers. Very slowly, one by one. There is no rush, just like this. Also add a few more lines over the cloak. By making them wavy, it will really look like the cloak is blowing in the wind. Great! Let's move back to the hair. To complete Elsa's head, start from the top and draw small sections of wavy hair going all the way down towards her neck. Just like this. Add a few thinner lines here and there to give the hair a really realistic look. Really realistic? What am I saying? Anyway, let's move on. Time to add some detail. As we all know, Elsa's got magical powers. To represent this, I've decided to add a few sparkles around her hand. But you can choose to add something different if you prefer. Lovely jubbly, time to color in. I'm sticking to the original colors, but you guys can choose to use different colors if you prefer. I will be using beige for the skin, make sure you take your time with the coloring. Yellow and brown for the hair to get a nice blonde effect. Nice shade of light blue for the dress and the cloak. I'm starting to feel cold. Are you? can use a darker shade pencil to create movement and dimension over the clothes, just like this. Let's add a few more details. A few small blue dots here and there on the cloak, around the sparkles, to really get that frosty feeling. To complete our drawing, I will now grab my black marker and go over the outlines of the braid to make it stand out even more. Just like this. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Rosie. What a lovely bunch of flowers we've got here. I really love how your flowers all have different shapes and the design of your vase is very unique. Well done, Rosie. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!